This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Jio Fiber voice plan and plugging the landline into the router's phone port so the network can carry your call. This matters because the router bridges VoIP IP to the PSTN. Once powered, wait until the internet and phone LEDs are green. Then pick up a connected analog phone or use the softphone app registered to your Jio number. Make a brief test call to a known number so you can verify dial tone and outbound connectivity before proceeding. Now you configure or verify SIP settings via the router UI or the Jio app. Make sure caller ID and registration show as active because unregistered SIP will fail. Next, use your connected handset or softphone and dial the number. Include STD prefix when calling outside your area, then press call. While connected, monitor voice quality and echo. Packet loss or high latency causes glitches, so note any drops. If audio is clear, proceed with your conversation and finish by hanging up. To finish, hang up or close the softphone and review call logs in the router UI to confirm success and duration. This helps for billing or disputes. If you experience no dial tone, poor audio, or failed registration, reboot the router and confirm SIP registration reappears. This fixes most transient issues. If problems persist, collect router logs, note LED states and test numbers. Then contact Jio support so they can check line provisioning or replace faulty hardware. This is often the fastest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.